Ear Science Institute Australia, or ESIA, is a world-leading centre for excellence in ear and hearing healthcare based in Perth, Western Australia. Driving internationally renowned clinical services and procedures, hearing research, education and training and community services, ESIA is uniquely placed to improve the lives of the 1 in 6 Australians currently afflicted with debilitating hearing loss. The Institute's mission is simple. It is dedicated to helping people with ear, hearing, balance and associated disorders. To achieve this, as a not-for-profit organisation, ESIA relies on community support to continue and expand this important work. In 2010, thanks to the generosity of the Western Australian business and philanthropic communities, the Institute was able to construct its state-of-the-art facility, the George Jones Family Centre. This world-class facility has enabled ESIA's exceptional team of health professionals to bring together clinical services and procedures, hearing research, education and training, and community services. ESIA is a clinical centre of excellence dedicated to high-quality diagnosis, treatment, and surgery related to the ear. Since 2001, they have been responsible for giving more than 350 people the gift of hearing through cochlear implantation. The Institute operates the Lions Hearing Clinics, which provide an independent, patient-focused hearing healthcare service, including tinnitus treatment, hearing assessment, and hearing aid fittings for all ages, utilising the latest advances in hearing aid technology and referral to specialist services where required. The ESIA Balance Centre team works with a group of medical and health professionals to diagnose and effectively treat those with balance disorders, such as Meniere's disease, which can severely impact quality of life. The ESIA Implant Centre's multidisciplinary team restores hearing for people of all ages using a wide range of implantable hearing devices, including cochlear implants. This child is hearing for the first time as a result of the Australian research translated into clinical practice. Key to the success of delivering translational research projects such as the cochlear implant is the close working relationship between researchers and clinicians. At ESIA, research outcomes are applied to everyday medicine. For example, the Institute's groundbreaking tissue engineering research into developing an artificial eardrum derived from silk fibres is now entering human clinical trials. This potential treatment for chronic eardrum perforations has been predicted to be one of the greatest advances in ear surgery since the cochlear implant. ESIA has developed an ear telemedicine system which enables ear disorders to be diagnosed and treated over the internet. This system is now being extended to include computer-assisted diagnosis, which has the potential to provide much-needed support to clinicians and health workers in remote communities in Australia and developing nations. ESIA researchers are also hard at work exploring the link between hearing loss and cognitive decline. Their focus is on whether early diagnosis and treatment of hearing loss using hearing aids or cochlear implants can mitigate the risk of cognitive decline and potentially developing dementia. Educating the next generation of ear, nose and throat surgeons and hearing health professionals about the latest clinical research and surgical techniques is central to ESIA's goal of delivering lasting benefits to the community. The ESIA Avant Centre extends the Institute's capacity to address future health workforce training needs by educating medical, nursing and allied health students. The Institute's Otology Fellowship Program, led by ESIA's Director, Winthrop Professor Marcus Atlas, provides a broad learning experience for surgeons who will assume leadership positions in academic specialist centres and hospitals right throughout the world. The Lottery West supported Hearing Discovery Centre, located within ESIA's building, is an interactive education portal created by the Institute to teach and promote all aspects of ear and hearing health to the entire community. ESIA's Cheers for Ears program is an award-winning school health initiative educating children about the causes and effects of hearing loss. It also encourages children to avoid loud sound exposure when using personal music players or in extremely noisy environments. Drawing upon strong community support, ESIA's annual Gift of Hearing Appeal and Charity Dinner raises much needed funding for the hearing research projects, education and training and community service programs at ESIA. The appeal also provides donated implantable hearing devices to Western Australians in need. As a not-for-profit organisation, financial support from the community is vital for the Institute to continue developing as a world-leading centre for excellence in ear and hearing healthcare. Your generosity will help ESIA bring together the very best people and resources in a highly focused way, enabling the development of life-changing advances. The team at Ear Science Institute Australia is building the global body of clinical practice knowledge through hearing research. This will improve the quality of life for the millions of people worldwide who suffer from ear and hearing disorders.